Listen up, everybody. Did you eat way too much over the holidays? Well, have I got the product just for you, the Holiday Miracle Diet. This Christmas, eat as much as you want. Then lose all the weight that you gained in 12 hours, up to 20 pounds, with the Holiday Miracle Diet.
This is me this morning, and this is me this afternoon. It works!
It's evil, but it works. You might say, if this works so well, why not use it more than once a year? Believe me, you don't want to use this more than once. What is our special secret? We don't have to tell you. Why? Because we're not FDA approved. The Holiday Miracle Diet is guaranteed. If you don't lose 20 pounds, I'll give you 20 bucks.
I ate a whole cake for breakfast this morning, and by dinner, I had lost 20 pounds.
But guess what, folks? The Holiday Miracle Diet does much more than help you lose weight. It can also help you clean your home. Clean your bathroom sink. Got a tough rust stain that won't come out? The Holiday Miracle Diet will get it out. That's right, folks. The same Holiday Miracle Diet that helps you lose the weight makes your sink shine like new. This stuff is evil, but it works. How does it work? You don't want to know. Order today, and I'll double the order. I'll send you one for you and one for a friend. Now, don't drink them both. You drink them both, and that's on you. Call today for this special order of the Holiday Miracle Diet. This stuff is evil, but it works. Rebirth Comedy Tour kicks off on June 24th in Columbia, South Carolina, and June 26th in Lynchburg, Virginia. For more information, log on to rebirthofcomedy.com.